Hello, Markus here with the Code Group. I am recording a quick example that we did for a customer in Europe. That's a tourism organization that's involved with organizing concerts. Very, very cool, actually, organizing concerts that are being held at the summit of mountains in the Austrian Alps. And what we did here as a prototype that I can actually show off to the public at this point is a cool little version of an assistant on a website that can help people who would like to attend those concerts and possibly also need to book rooms for it. So let me switch over to my screen. Here's a simple version of the website they're using. The website is in German in this case because the area is in Austria, therefore it's German language. But as you'll see here in a moment, it won't actually matter for our particular example. But I'm going to just start out and actually talk to the assistant. His name is Leo, a little lion that is a mascot that was also AI generated. I could start interacting with Leo, and I could say, "Wie geht es dir?" German for "How are you doing?" And when I ask him that, he's going to respond in German, says it's always awesome because he lives in the Austrian Alps. Now, most of my watchers of this recording here are probably not German speakers, so let's do the same thing in English. How are you doing? And hit the button. And now an interesting thing happens. It says, I'm always great because I live in the Austrian Alps. So one of the cool things right away here is that this system is completely language agnostic, which for tourism is absolutely incredible. The system that's behind all of this is purely a German knowledge base of what's going on. Events, rules around events, other knowledge-based content, all held in German. But because this system is AI driven and it's a large language model, it can respond in pretty much any language there is. So now we asked him something in English and he responded in English, and note that even the UI now changed over to English. So now it says ask Leo, and it says hello, I'm Leo, how can I help you, and so on. So that's kind of cool. The problem of languages is completely solved for these guys. So now I could do something like this. I could say, okay, I know there's 5 concerts this summer. I would like to attend the first concert in August. Would like to attend the first concert in August. I need a room for one night for 2 people. What is available? Now that's a little bit of a difficult question to ask because this implies that the AI knows about the concerts that are available and it needs to know when the different concerts are and then also what rooms are available. So as you see, it now integrated with a reservation system. And it said, yeah, we got rooms available at this hotel for the first concert in August. And it knew the dates that it needed. It knew the number of people. And therefore, it could integrate with this booking system. Could be Booking.com or Expedia or whatever the hotels use. And it says, hey, I could book this for you. And the price per night is 175 euros per person. Okay, so very, very interesting. The AI understood it needed to look up concerts to make sure it knew what the first concert in August was. It needed to then look up the reservations in a booking system. It needed to then combine those things, needed to make some assumptions, and then said, okay, here it is. Now we could now introduce more agency, which is what's happening a lot with these AIs nowadays. So Leo could actually go and actually make the booking for us. And that's certainly something we could do there also. But maybe we just want to know a little more about the concert. What can you tell me about the first concert in August? And again, it has to look up concert information, and it says, okay, the first concert in August is a band called Steven Seagulls, will take place on this and that date. What is the band? What do they play? What are they known for? And so on. So factual information, up to date to the minute information. By understanding it needed to reach out to these things. This concert plan, by the way, is not in some vector database. This was a custom integration with the system that they had. And then same with this integration with the reservation system is an agency capability where we integrate where we integrate functions into large language models. And again, working in any language, if you want to speak Spanish, if you want to speak Japanese, Thai, all those types of things are just supported out of the box, which saves tourism agencies tons and tons of money.